Hello everyone, myself Nandish GM. I am currently pursuing my MBA Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's my topic is cluster analysis, types and procedures of cluster analysis. Let's see how to discuss on cluster analysis, types and procedures. Firstly, we have to discuss an introduction to cluster analysis. Cluster analysis is a statistical method used to group similar objects into clusters. It helps in identifying patterns and structures in data without prior labels. The primary goal is to maximize intra-cluster similarity while minimizing inter-cluster similarity. Next one is types of cluster analysis. There are several types of cluster analysis, including hierarchical, patronizing, partitioning, and density-based clustering. Hierarchical clustering builds a tree of clusters to show relationships between them. Partitioning methods like k-means assign data points to a fixed number of clusters based on distance metrics. Next one is hierarchical clustering. Hierarchical clustering can be agglomerative (bottom up) or divisive (top down). In agglomerative clustering, each data point starts as its own cluster, which are then merged. The dendrogram is a useful visual tool to represent the merging process and cluster relationships. Next one is partitioning clustering. K-means is the most common partitioning method that requires the number of clusters to be specified in advance. It iteratively assigns data points to the nearest cluster centroid and updates the centroid based on the assigned points. This method is efficient for large datasets but can be sensitive to outliers and initialization. Next one is density based clustering. Density based clustering such as DBS CAN identifies clusters based on the density of data points in a region. This method is effective for discovering clusters of arbitrary shapes and is robust to outliers. The algorithm groups points that are closely packed together while marking points in low density regions as noise. Next one is steps in cluster analysis procedure. The initial step involves data preparation, including cleaning and normalizing the dataset. Next, the appropriate clustering method is selected based on the underlying data structure and analysis goals. Finally, the results are analyzed and validated using techniques such as similarity scores or cluster stability assessments. Next one is challenges in cluster analysis. Choosing the right number of clusters can be difficult and often requires domain knowledge. Clustering results can vary significantly based on the algorithm and distance metric used. Interpreting and validating clusters can be subject to requiring careful consideration of the context. Next one is the last part of this topic. Conclusion and applications of cluster analysis. Cluster analysis is a powerful tool for data exploration and pattern recognition across various fields. It finds applications in marketing segmentation, image processing, and social network analysis, among others. By understanding the types and procedures of cluster analysis, practitioners can derive meaningful insights from complex data sets. Thank you for everyone. I hope If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.